Welcome back, everybody, to another Soul Ties video. Grace and peace to everyone out there, man. Hope you're staying safe, staying healthy. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so make sure if you're not subscribed to go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that notification bell because I got some more bangers lined up for you. And once we get to 100 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway with some Supreme stickers. You're gonna get a Soul Ties sticker and a shoe to the winner. So the way it's gonna work is once we get to 100, I'm gonna post a video. You're gonna have to comment down below your name, your shoe size, and an email address where I can reach you. And then I'll randomly select a winner. You're gonna get the Supreme stickers, Soul Tie stickers, and a shoe of my choosing. So I'll send that out to you guys. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not. So with that out the way, let's get straight into the video. What I have here is two recent pickups. This is actually my last pickup off Stockx. You can see from the box, Air Max 90, Undefeated, size 10.5 men's. So this is my last pickup off Stockx I got this right before they added that processing fee. And if I had actually waited after the processing fee, I probably would have paid like $3 more, which really isn't that bad. And the processing fee has to do with like packaging and supplies and stuff like that. So a lot of people are mad at Stockx for adding that, but I mean, you gotta understand, like, they're a business and everybody that's working probably doesn't want to work right now. And it's more recent news that came out that some workers did have COVID-19. So, you know, that you gotta understand, like, you know, they're probably having to do things differently, just like the rest of us. You know, they're probably having to sanitize people, sanitize things more, check people's temperatures. So that added fee, that processing fee, is probably going towards all that stuff. So, I mean, at the end of the day, $3 on a $150 shoe isn't really that much. So, I mean, you can be mad all you want, but if you really want the shoe, you're gonna get it. So here is the, let me cover my address. There it is. I ended up paying $175.15. So you can see that sales tax, I'm getting hit because this is Cali tax, and then the shipping fee, $13, and the authentication fee is free. And I actually purchased for $146, so that's actually a lot. If you add from $146 to $175, that's almost $30 after shipping, after taxes. And if I would have waited, like I said, $3 more, it would have came out to about $178. So that's actually a lot after the fact, from the retail price to, not retail price, but the purchase price. That's a lot of money after the fact. So Undefeated box. You see the Undefeated there. You see the tallies there. Undefeated box. Black all around. Nike on the top. Undefeated on the other side. Slide out box. Lego. Alright, so you got some Nike tissue paper in there. Nike swooshes all around. So you've seen Air Max 90 Undefeated. A lot of people sleeping on these, man. Got these actually under retail for, well, the asking price, the purchase price was under retail, and then after the fact, your boy ended up paying, like I said, $30 after, so. But there you go. This almost looks like pink off the rip, but I think it's called like a solar red. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, but there we go. The Air Max 90 leather shoe, leather on the upper, leather swoosh. That solar, let me see what the box says. Yes, white and solar red. It almost looks like a hot pink. It also comes with the solar red laces. Those might actually look fire on there. Just pop. Then it has the Undefeated like lace lock or lace holder, like a badge there. All right, Undefeated on the lace tips. which is a cool little hint right there. And then this one has a Nike swoosh on it. Nike Air Max on the patch. See anything inside? Yeah, on the insole you get the Undefeated logo there. Shoe tree in there. So yeah, basically you just, I mean, right here on the around the air bubble, another more solar red. The outsole white, Nike there, solar red. So I mean, these shoes are these are nice to me. I really like them. I was feeling them. So glad I was able to get them under retail. And this is a shoe that I think over time might go up. Now, what I was looking at when I opened it and first saw the shoe was just this, I don't know, this paint job just looks bad to me. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. If you guys have this shoe, let me know. Does yours look like this? Does your paint look like it just missed the mark? It looked like it's painted where it shouldn't be painted. I would have stopped in the middle of this little valley there and not come to the other side, because it goes through the little dip and then up to the other side. And it's not really a clean line either. So, I don't know. You guys let me know. Same thing on this side. I don't know. I might have to look at I got my wife a pair of the black and white, so I might have to look at that. But other than that, look at this leather. Real nice, soft leather. A lot of give. So, I mean, it's going to feel broken in when I wear it. But, man, let me know your thoughts on this shoe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now, because I'm gonna actually do an on feet with this shoe on. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's move on to the next shoe.
A few moments later.
All right, this shoe right here off Snkrs app, I hit it on a shock drop. So like I've been telling you guys, if you don't got it already, get the J23 app. This was an exclusive access, so if you did have access, you were able to purchase the shoe, and if you didn't, it's not too late, because this shoe hasn't officially released yet. So this shoe will officially release, actually, I don't know the official release date, so I'm actually gonna have to put that. It might be May 15th, 16th, around there. So I'll put it right here down below. Let me get this out first so we can talk about it. You already know by the box, Jordan 1 box. The tag says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, white, Game Royal. So you know what this is, size 10.5, my size. I actually tried getting my wife a pair, tried getting Britt a pair in her size, but they had sold out. Now this was crazy. Let me tell you the story. I kept seeing on Twitter that said, don't update your app. Don't update it, because when you do, your exclusive access just disappears. So I didn't update it, but I forgot that I had automatic updates turned on. So overnight, while I was sleeping, connected to the Wi-Fi, the app updated, man, and I checked the next morning, exclusive access was gone, except when I went to the desktop version, it showed that I had exclusive access and it was going to be available at 9 a.m. So I was at work and I was on my mobile, but I went to the desktop site on my mobile, which you can do. So I was just waiting in line, waiting. 9 o'clock hit, boom, I tried getting them. The app just like glitched. Actually, I tried logging in like 5 minutes before, 10 to 5 minutes before, it was not letting me. The app was just like overloaded. The servers were overloaded. So I'm like freaking out. I'm like, oh, whatever, you know what? I didn't really want this shoe. I didn't really feel it. And I was actually just, like I said, trying to get a pair for my wife so that she can have them. And, you know, I was like, oh, whatever. So like I couldn't get in. I just couldn't. But then I got a notification from Snkrs saying, hey, you got exclusive access. So then the shoe popped up back in Snkrs. By the time I could try to even get her size, it was sold out. Tried to go for my size, sold out. The things were gone, man, like quick. And in the midst of all that, 2 minutes after 9 o'clock, I get a notification from J23 app saying the Alele May 6s restocked, exclusive access, second chance. And so I clicked on it. You know, I was able to get in. It said sold out right away. And it says, you know what, you've been faithful. You missed out on these on the first chance. Here's your second chance. They were gone, man. And I noticed later when I went to Sneaker Twitter that he had tweeted it out 2 minutes before 9. So by the time I got in there, it was 4 minutes had passed. Them things were gone, man. So, man, that would have been I was excited too, because I was like, this is an even better shoe for my wife. It's a woman's shoe. It's an Laylee May, all over hot pink, just a fire shoe. I forgot to mention that while I'm editing this video, so after all that chaos between the Royal Toes and then the Laylee Mays, something didn't feel right about the drop. I knew something was wrong. I don't know what it was, servers being overloaded. I just knew something wasn't right. I feel like they were gonna, something was about to happen. So I decided I'm gonna take my lunch right there. I hung out for a little while longer, and sure enough, I get the notification from J23 coming in clutch again around 9:30, I believe. They said, oh, sizes are back up, go. So I go back into the actual Snkrs app, got off the mobile site, went to the Snkrs app. Sure enough, there they are, sizes back up. But again, 8.5 wasn't there, got the 10.5. So shout out J23, and here is the shoe. Let me know if you tried, if you got them or not. I don't know. There we go, man. Whew. Jordan 1 High OG Royal Toe. Now, let me tell you my first thoughts on these, and tell you why I wasn't really feeling these. Let me get the one without the lace. So, because when you look at it, what does it remind you of? Just the colorway. I mean, I get the toe. This shoe actually looks like it would be a mid colorway. Now, Jordan just recently released, not too long ago, I believe, a mid that was a green toe, and it had green. Where everything is blue here, the Jordan 1 mid has green. So this is why, like I tell you, like, it just reminded me of a mid colorway. Now, it would have been dope if they just stuck to the regular, like the bread toe, the pine green 1.0 and the court purple 1.0. Everything that they do a colored toe on, if they had stuck to that colorway, like if this was blue, hold on. You see what I'm saying? Like, if everything on this shoe was blue, fire. Would have been a lot doper. This was just blue, and then, you know, imagine this shoe looking like that court purple. Blue here. You know, what color is the wings? Black. And they went and did a white wings logo here. So I mean, I'm gonna have to, this one's gonna have to grow on me. This one's gonna have to grow on me. And I don't know, but overall, when blue Jordans come out over time, man, they end up just going boom. Look at oh, I don't have them in here right now. The Obsidian ones, or the UNC's 2.0s, if you would call them. Those things are just shot up like crazy in the past couple months. But man, this is an alright shoe. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm gonna drop a on foot and a review of this shoe. So let me know if you're feeling these or not. Does this remind you of a mid colorway or not? You tell me. But reviews coming, so go ahead and keep it locked. I was able to get these super fast too, because these dropped, I believe, when, Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday, I believe. And I learned from Unbreakable Kicks, shout out Unbreakable Kicks, that if you wanted to get them early or soon or quick, go ahead and go for 2-day shipping. So it would cost you a little time, but you know, you wanted them quicker, you go for 2-day shipping. It's only $5 compared to what I paid for Stockx, $13. That actually took me, you can see I ordered them April 22nd or 21st, and it's now May 1st. So I'm not a mathematician. That's what, 9 to 10 days right there. So I got this one in 2 days. So $5 shipping, got them quick. Now I understand Stockx is, you know, the buyer has to ship them, you know, and if they're not timely, I think he shipped them the next morning after I purchased them. So then they got to get to Stockx. Then they gotta sort through their thousands of inventory of shoes to legit check or authenticate. Then they gotta package that and then ship them out to you. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. And 100 subscribers, remember, giveaway. So subscribe. Grace and peace to you, and we'll see you on the next one.